I live in the shadows.
Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to make your voice sound like a menacing and terrifying demon. Something scary that's fun to do sometimes on holidays or practical jokes. Just promise me you won't give anyone a heart attack. Welcome to my channel again, where I teach you how to sound like a demon using your natural voice. In this video, I will show you easy steps to make your voice sound like a demon and share some tips and tricks with you to make your voice more convincing. These are tips that natural voiceover artists do, and these are experts, usually seasoned people. Me, I have not had any training with that voice. I just do it. Step 1.
Warm up your voice.
Warm up your voice. Before you start sounding like a demon, you need to warm up your voice and prepare your vocal cords. To do this, you can do some simple exercises such as humming, yawning, singing. You can also drink some warm water or tea to hydrate your throat. Honey helps me, and I also like lemon. These are some secrets you guys are getting, okay? The goal is to relax your voice and to make it more flexible and to resonate. This is how my normal voice sounds. It's not very scary, is it?
Wait for it.
Some further steps that you can take. I'm sorry, I'm just having too much fun doing this. Okay, the next step is you want to lower your pitch to make your voice more deep and darker. To do this, you need to use your diaphragm. For those of you that do not know what this is a muscle below your lungs that helps you breathe. You can feel your diaphragm by placing your hand on your stomach and breathing deeply. When you exhale, you should feel your stomach go in. This means you are using your diaphragm to control your breathing. To lower your pitch, you need to exhale slowly, bringing your diaphragm in. This will create more air pressure in your lungs, make your vocal cords vibrate slower. You can practice this by saying ah or oh, ah or oh. In this low tone, try to make it as deep as possible. You can also use a pitch monitor app to measure your pitch and to see how low you can go. This is how my voice sounds naturally. Lowering my pitch, it sounds deeper and darker, but not quite demonic yet.
Wait for it.
Add some rasp and some growl. Final step to sounding like a demon is to add some rasp and growl to your voice. This will make your voice sound more rough, aggressive, and create a demonic effect. To do this, you need to use your false vocal cords. Yes, you have these, which are the folds of tissue above your true vocal cords. You can feel your false vocal cords by coughing, clearing out your throat, or gargling. Didn't know that, did you? Now, you should feel a vibration in your throat and hear a harsh sound. To add some rasp and growl to your voice, you need to tighten your false vocal cords and create some friction with your true vocal cords. Be careful not to strain your voice or to hurt your throat. You could drink some water or have some honey to soothe your throat. Thank you for watching this odd video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, motivational information, etc. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. See you next time.
Goodbye.